spicy is this dish?
Well, really, it just depends on how much of the curry paste you put in.
Awesome. So how much are we going to put in?
So we're going to put in the tablespoon that the recipe calls for. That's a medium heat. You could add less, you could add more.
So for those who like spicy food on our audience,
you could double
a little bit more. Awesome.
Yeah.
So what caught your interest in cooking, and how long have you been cooking?
I graduated from culinary school in 1998. What sparked my interest was my mom. She held pretty much every position in the restaurant business, and I ended up at work with her a lot, so it kind of just rubbed off on me.
So where did you go to culinary school?
I went to a school in the Tampa Bay area.
Awesome.
Like a small
in Florida?
School. Yeah.
Did you enjoy that area?
Yeah, I was born and raised there, so.
Awesome. So in your kitchen here in the university and the sub, do you have any pet peeves in your kitchen?
Yeah, I have a couple. If you use something, put it back where you found it. And if you use the last of something, let me know.
I definitely feel that.
So,
my mom finishes the milk at home and doesn't tell me. We go to pour cereal and there's no milk in there. Does that ever happen in your kitchen when you go to cook something?
Oh, yeah, definitely. So we want to cook this chicken till it's about 165 degrees.
All right.
Which we're there. We're at 203.
So we're good?
So at that point, we're going to remove it from the...
Awesome. Should we set this to the side or just leave it right here?
Leave it right there.
Awesome.
Now I'm going to add the veggies.
And what are we sauteing these veggies with? Some oil?
Yeah, some canola oil.
Okay. Any salt and pepper and stuff?
Yeah, we're going to add a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, add a little bit as you go.
All right, Steph, so how long have you been cooking for Airmark here in Kingsville?
In Kingsville, just about 10 years.
Airmark in total?
20.
Awesome.
Just about 20.
So, if I'm right, you used to work for the Texas A&M University Corpus Christi,
yes.
right? Also, did you work for any other universities?
No.
That's it?
No, that's it.
So
another thing that you can do is just to get the vegetables to cook a little bit quicker, you can add a little water.
Be careful, guys. Don't be setting your kitchens on fire.
Yeah. Just want to move them around a lot so they don't burn.
All right.
Add a little bit more water.
So as your time cooking, what is probably your most memorable time cooking?
I can say that here on campus I had the opportunity to cook for Chef Anthony Bourdain.
That's awesome.
And that was a really, really great experience.
I actually watched some videos on him recently.
Oh,
yeah?
Yeah. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the curry paste. We're going to add it.
For those of you who like spicy food, you can add more than what we're adding.
So we're gonna cook it on the pan over here for just a couple of minutes, or it's not gonna take that long actually.
We have a pretty hot pan here.
That kind of wakes up the flavors.
All right.
We're gonna add the chicken back in.
A
little bit more salt and pepper.
So Chef, what is your favorite thing about your cooking career so far?
I just love to work with food and love to make people happy with it.
Do you travel a bunch cooking? Like, do you have your favorite preference or your type of style of food?
Not really. I like to do it all.
Are we adding milk into this?
This is coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Awesome. Is
So
that going to give us a little sweetness flavor?
Yeah, well, it's a little bit sweet, but what we're going to also do is going to add some brown sugar to here.
All right.
Now you could actually sub out the chicken for shrimp or tofu.
So for those vegetarians at home?
And the vegans.
Oh, vegans too.
So we're just going to let that simmer for a bit.
All right.
We're going to get our serving bowl here.
So just out of curiosity, when you see people cooking at home or in your kitchen, do you ever see anything people are doing wrong that just pinches your little gears?
Mostly I think if people could work on their knife skills.
Awesome. So what would be the correct way to hold a knife?
Well, instead of a lot of this, it's more of a gliding motion.
Awesome.
You know, your knife should never actually leave the cutting board.
You'll have to teach me after this because I don't know how to use a knife. So what are we doing now? Getting our rice?
Yeah, we're going to get the jasmine rice, which I already have made. I'm going to put it right in the middle here.
So how do we make this rice for people that don't have it made already?
There actually came with instructions.
Awesome.
But basic rice is just, bring the water to a boil, add the rice, turn it on low, Cover it, let it simmer about 15 minutes.
So how many times have you made this meal before, Chef?
Oh, who knows?
Couple hundred times, maybe?
Probably. So then to serve it, we're going to go ahead and put the curry right in the middle there.
Awesome. It's really hot.
Put a little bit of sauce.
That looks delicious. It smells great.
And then if you want, you can
Do a little
garnish with a little
garnish.
bit of
Make it look pretty.
basil.
Look at that, guys. That looks great, Chef. Do you mind if I?
Dig in.
Ooh. What should I get? Chicken? Rice?
Yeah.
Oh, hot. That's good, Chef. Really good.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Thank you. So, I'm chewing. All right, Chef. Well, that's our time, guys. I hope y'all cooked it as best as Chef Craig did here. Thank you, Chef, for making this amazing meal for us.
My pleasure.
Super affordable for us college students that don't want to go to Whataburger every day. But super easy to make. It didn't take us very much time.
No, not at all.
But we want to thank CAB, the Campus Activities Board, for sponsoring this event today. Hopefully we'll be doing another one soon. We want to thank Marcom and Airmark for their contributions as well. We want to thank Chef for taking time out of his day and our camera crew here. So we hope you all enjoyed our little show today and you enjoy your meal. Thank you for joining us and good night. All right, Chef. I'm going to get a little more. That's good, Chef.
Thank you.